Hi Taurus, what's coming to you in the month of June? I'm going to look for it through the tarot cards. I have taken out your tarot card spread and I have also tried to clarify with various oracle cards and other tarot decks to understand what exactly is the main situation in terms of your career and in terms of your personal life. Also, I took out some health cards as well. And finally, I'll read the Lenormand in the end. So, let's see what is going to come to you in your environment position. So environment is connected to your personal life, and also sometimes your close situation, your situation in your economy. So the 8 of Wands is telling me progressive situations will develop in the month of June. So there will be action, there will be fast action, there will be fast movement, there will be a fast progress, and this is happening for you because of a certain situation that has ended in your life. So something is going to have a final situation. So it could be a legal situation which was really bad and which had kept you stuck in a devil's energy. It could be an ambition which you are living. It could be a bad relationship in which you were getting, toxic situations, and you were face to face with that. You have decided to avoid. It could be it could be anything that was making you fearful, that was making you worry a lot. So this could be connected to your close people as well. So something is coming in my mind. Some of you could be worried about your parents, some of you could be worried about your children, some of you are worried about your financial situation or your personal life with someone. So there is a possibility that every one of you were going through this devil energy which creates temptations and toxicity, and then it is also connected with addictions or bad habits or obsession regarding something. But justice is coming to you. Justice means that there is going to be some correction in this situation. Why I am saying correction is justice is not always good, but justice here is some good corrections, because 8 of Wands is a favorable card. 8 of Wands is the action card. So this is good news can come to you. Fast action can happen, fast movement can happen, opening up of situations can happen in this time period. So 8 of Wands is coming with some good news with the Knight of Cups and the Knight of Wands. This could be two people coming in your life. One is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or and Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Or it could be good news coming to you in terms of a shift in your gears, in terms of what you want to do. That passion will come inside of you. It can be a decision to move away from a situation. And with the Knight of Cups, it could be someone bailing you out, or a good news. It can be also creativity. So you could be in harnessing someone's entry. You could be harnessing the fire and the water energy with your earth energy, and that is going to give you an amalgamation of balance. So a balancing situation is arriving for you, whether it is through people or it is through some kind of information that you are getting at this point. Someone will be showing you love, someone is coming towards you with passion. With the Queen of Pentacles and the Empress energy, situation will start improving in your life the moment Venus will enter your sign, and Mercury is going to get into your third house. So communication with people will get better. So first of all, let's talk about Venus. Venus is your ruling planet, and Taurus, it is entering your first house on June 6th, and that is going to, from then onwards, the after the first week of June, you are going to feel much more stable. You are going to attract energies of beauty, stability, money, abundance of love, uh, beautiful surroundings, beautiful feelings are going to come to you, and you will feel very stable. You can feel cared for or nurtured. You could be having a partnership with another Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or a motherly energy could be helping you out. Anything uh, which is very nurturing is going to happen in your life, and that is going to give you great stability, feelings of great stability and balance. So what was happening in your life in the past was that you were going through some stickiness, and it was also, silences from other people. There was something which was stuck. It was not, the breakthrough was not coming, but suddenly a situation occurred in your life which gave you a surprise or a jerk or a shake up, and that changed your situation. That is changing your situation, making you brave, making you this king of wands, making you this adventurer, traveler, making you this leader, making you this great performer, making you this dreamer who goes towards their targets with objectivity and passion, and they get it. So basically it can also mean that your energy of self enterprise will be very very active in the month of June. So Taurus, things are going to look better, feel better, and you are going to move towards situation, or will get into situations where you become the leader or the great hero. So there is a possibility of you becoming a great person in your life at this time, because there is going to be some elements of the universe helping you out to become that person. So as you move forward in terms of your health, some of you are getting out of a long situation, a situation of 10 months or 10 some 10 years. You have been going through some problem in your health, some disadvantage in your health, that is going to end. So the pressure that you were feeling on your body or mind, and which was disadvantageous in terms of your health, is going to go away in this time period. With the Chariot card, what you are going to do is you are going to become more disciplined in your health. You are going to rein in your rein in those addictive energies which create bad health for you, and that is going to give you triumph over difficulties or diseases in your body. So you are going to succeed in some kind of reduction, reversion, reversing something, maybe reversing a disease is possible in this time period. So you will be ultimately in good health after a long fight with your health problems. In terms of your personal life, you will be taking rest in this time period. Some of you will be having a break in your personal relationships. Some of you will take time out for yourself and you will recharge. This can also mean that there can be a separation or a break in a relationship. You could be moving towards some kind of separation. So there is a possibility of separation with your close person in the month of June. Some of you could be moving towards an engagement as well. So someone will ask me, how can separation and engagement take place? So some of you could be doing the the process of engagement, and then both of you will go on your separate ways for some time. There will be a break, or break in the closeness, or not entirely mentally, but in terms of physical situation. You guys have chemistry. In terms of your love, there will be chemistry and magnetic attraction. There is a possibility that you could be feeling some toxic vibes in this time period in your personal relationship, so you need to take some time out. But actually you guys have chemistry. So angels are saying love yourself first. So some of you have to focus on your self love or self care in this time period with the Four of Swords and the Ace of Cups, because there is a possibility that you were doing too much for the other person, or you were becoming codependent on the other person. There was a possibility with the in the past that there is this devil energy. You could be in love with a Taurus, Virgo, with a Libra, with a Capricorn, with a Taurus or a Virgo, a sign just like you. So there is a possibility that you were going through some sticky situations in your love life, but there is a possibility of an engagement as well. There is a possibility of renewal. There is a possibility of feeling better for yourself once you take a break in this time period. So justice will happen in a personal situation as well. So with the Two of Wands, some of you could be in two minds regarding a situation with someone who could be far away, or some of you are weighing two relationships in this time period. So there could be someone coming to you with a Page of Cups energy. Someone could be coming back to you after a break in a relationship which had become of a past person. So you may have been in a past relationship with this person. This person could be coming back in your life, so there is a possibility of that. So there is a new one and there is an old one, so this is a possibility for some of you. So that is what I gather in the month of June in this. So I do not have any great predictions for you in terms of your love life, but there is a possibility that you will need to take a break, and you will need to weigh your options regarding two relationships, or regarding a decision that has to be final. It could be for an engagement or for a marriage. So to sustain a relationship, you will have to decide and finally decide on something. In terms of your job, what is happening is you could be making a new start. Some of you, the Fool and the Magician. So this is, manifestation of a new work, or a new path, or a new way of working. So there is a possibility of self-employment. There is a possibility of starting your own business. So you are a King of Pentacles. You are very stable. You attract lucrative proposal. You have this ability to be rooted and very practical, and almost the top leader, top person, top banker, top person of money. So you are very stable actually, and in this time period you will be very stable, and you are going to make a judgment about your future situation in terms of your economy, and that is going to be a favorable decision. So with realism, which is part of you, Taurus, you are very realistic. You will make a decision in your situation. A rebirth or renewal in your economy is possible. So with the Magician and the Fool card, there is possibility of a new situation in your economy that will be projecting of your dreams, projection of your dreams, and maybe you will be able to fructify those dreams in this month. You are looking forward to something coming to you from the past. So some of you are getting in touch with a past person or a past company, and there is possibility of working for them. So you are manifesting that this can happen. there is a possibility of also so your 10th house energy is of Aquarius. So in this month there is a work or a do situation, or a past person coming and giving you an offer, or you going back to a past situation is possible after a break. There is going to be a fast decision or an order coming to you in this time period. So your outcome is the Emperor card. So you are going to take control of your life in this time period. You could be getting good support from boss figures or father figures, or you will take up the energy of a father figure, kind of energy, providing for everyone, giving support to everyone, and taking an approach of a neutral person in this time period regarding your personal and professional life. Definitely success is coming to you in health, personal life, and also your economy. That is what I am seeing. So successful situations coming to you with the Emperor and Empress in your reading, Taurus, and that is a very, very good situation. So leadership qualities will be coming into play in this reading. That's what I am seeing in this month. That's what I am seeing. Some of you are getting also big support from father figure or mother figure in this time period. A comfortable and balanced situation is developing for you. So let's look at one card which was in the reverse. That was the Six of Cups. In the beginning it was reversed, and at the end it is in the upward position. So there is definitely memories of the past, connection with children. There was some trouble with child or children, motherhood. There is a past relationship coming back to you. There will be harmony coming back with the soulmate. That is what I am seeing, or there is a harmonizing situations coming to you in this time period. So this is coming after a long haul of some kind. So let's read out the Lenormand card for you. Card number 20, the Garden card, is coming for you. So some of you will be starting a business, or a love rendezvous can come, and invention can happen. Put more courage and enthusiasm into what you do, and you will obtain excellent results. All your energy is concentrated on your work this month. You will have brilliant plans, and you will be waiting to put into practice. So there will be some kind of thinking or a break time. A part of the month will be dedicated to rest, with a relaxing holiday that puts you back in shape. So feelings, regarding your feelings, um, emotional recovery after being hurt, artistic inspiration, music and nature will help you in this time period. Unexpected events can be little pleasures, consoling invitations, walks in the countryside will soothe your disappointments. You could be meeting someone in a clandestine manner as well in this time period. Full recovery of peace will happen after a difficult phase, and peace will begin for you with the help of family and friends. In terms of your work, commitment in study and work has brought you to an enviable position. Business that is already underway will make great profits, and smoothly you will start a new initiative. A master stroke is unexpected, and it is going to happen. A master stroke discovery or invention will change your life. Look for a sponsor. Result is you will do something very well. So well done. An initiative that you will start will go a long way. So money wise, after a breakdown, recovery will be slow but sure. A surprise holiday will come to you, and you will be peaceful. A good business will solve your financial woes, and economic harmony is going to come back this month. So Taurus, this is a good month. I hope that all these things that I have said will happen and may happen. So I believe in tarot cards, and they will definitely, all these energies in some proportion will come to the Taurians who are watching this. And I wish you all the best. If you have liked this reading, please like, share and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through difficulties can contact me for a personal reading. These readings are prepaid, pre-booked and pre-slotted. So write to me through the email ID in the description box. Keep watching this space, Tarot Priestess 1313, and please share it with people who require these readings. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.